How to increase Cash App borrow limits. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can increase Cash App borrow limits, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you know, then on Cash App you can actually borrow between $20 to $200 from Cash App's borrow services, and the amount you can borrow depends upon your user history on the mobile app. If you have more transactions, of course Cash App is going to give you more ways to borrow it, and to qualify for the maximum $200 loan you may need to consistently deposit high sums of money such as $1,000 per month, because it also really depends upon this. If you have a fixed amount always in a Cash App's algorithm is going to identify, just like your credit score, that you are a person who makes frequent transactions and that you have the ability to pay it completely back. So from $20 to $200 you have the maximum amount that you can borrow. Now to get started, there are also a couple of basic things that we can do within the app, and that is like just verifying our identity, contacting the customer support, and whatever else we can do. So simply go ahead and open up Cash App, tap the profile icon from the top right, go to the limits option and make sure to verify your limits right over here. You'll be able to find all your current limits. After you've done that, just tap the customer profile icon and then scroll down again, go to support, and then just tap the chat option. Talk to a live agent as to what are some of the things that you can personally do, because the process is not really same in all of the accounts. For every individual account the process could differ depending upon your transaction, so you might want to talk to a live agent in this case. Another thing to make sure is that you always have enough cash balance and you always constantly deposit them even if you don't really use it or need it. Then you can also make sure that you have linked your Cash App card as well as your bank account in this case. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically increase your borrow limit on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.